Hey guys, good morning from Kathmandu. This is where the West Region Scouts are going to be working and building 3 new classrooms for this amazing school. You can see here the foundation work is being started on. We've got the bricks ready, we've got all the materials over there ready for the team to get going when they arrive on Monday, and yeah, we're looking forward to getting stuck in.
Welcome all of you in beautiful city of Nepal and Congress.
I like learning a new skill. It's been like a brand new thing. I've never done anything like bricklaying before, so it's been good to learn something different, and meeting the people. It's good to get a connection with the kids and just to chat with them as well.
What I hope they take away most is the memory and the experience of having come here and made a difference to other people's lives.
There's 2 classrooms where we completely relayed the floor, and I didn't expect to see it, but the kids are in the classroom today, and I had a bit of a moment earlier. It was just wonderful seeing the kids sitting working and doing their classwork in the classrooms that we basically finished for them last week.
We went to Bukhara on the weekend, and it was just really amazing to see because we saw all the mountains and the sunrise, which is just beautiful.
They really enjoyed it, and that was life-changing for some of them, and they're still talking about it, and I can see the posts as well and the photographs they're posting.
You look over it and you're like, whoa, that's almost the top of the world. Like you don't really expect it, and the temple we went to as well was really cool.
I don't know what I expected, but this isn't what I expected. It's just a completely other world than Scotland, but I love it. I'm really enjoying it. I'll be sad to leave, definitely.
It's been a bit of an eye-opener to like the different culture and kind of appreciate what we take for granted at home is like the likes of a luxury for them over here.
I think it's fantastic. We came here to a complete area with nothing on it at all, and we're going to leave with a building that's got 3 separate rooms.
I think it's going to be so good for all these kids because they're so full of life and everything like that, so I think it's going to improve the lives of a lot of people.
So I must admit, before coming I was a bit nervous about going through several international airports with 75 people, but they've been a good crowd, good bunch of people. Everybody's stuck together, everybody's looked after each other, so it's been very good.
Projects Abroad have been on the ground supporting us. They've helped us with the logistics in terms of in advance of the trip. We had lots of really stupid and difficult questions, but Projects Abroad answered every single one and helped us with that process. And now that Projects Abroad are on the ground with us, again, we couldn't do without them because they've been so supportive. They're problem solvers, and they've supported us throughout the entire trip that we've had here. Any issue that's come up hasn't been, there's nothing that's fazed them. They've been able to handle for us. So we're delighted with the support we've had from Projects Abroad, and we really actually look forward to working with them again in the future.
It's an experience of a lifetime. My son's got to do it at 13, 14. I'm 45, so definitely if they can do it at that age, great. If you can do it at that age, if there's leaders out there, a bit of advertisement for Scout leaders. If you want to volunteer, give it a try.
Oh, absolutely, just do it. Like, no hesitation, just get it done and you'll have the time of your life.
It's a great experience, and it's nice to know you're helping as well.
It's the best thing you'll ever do. It's crazy. 2 weeks here and you felt like a completely new person when you come home. It's really good.
In terms of volunteering as a group, whether it's Scouts, Guys, BB, a church group, any community group, is that give it a go sort of thing, but go with a company, either Project Abroad or something similar. Go to something that can support you before and during, the during one being the very critical side of things as well. And also, the best way to get a review is to speak to people who've been before. And I always say to people, my details are available through Project Abroad, so contact me. Sort of thing, and I'll give you, and I'm willing to do presentations or advice or anything like that, and we'll tell you the good, the bad and the ugly. But I'll be honest, the fact that I'm actually signing a contract for 4 years and 8 years on shows that I do believe fully in Projects Abroad. That's all. I just saw, your eye was going right there.